Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so you've just been out and picked up your brand new Samsung Galaxy S9 or your S9 Plus. You've also picked up a new screen protector to apply to the display to protect it from getting any scratches, as we all do. But after you've applied the screen protector, you might realise that when you touch the display, it doesn't respond the way it should do. Like if you're trying to open up an application, you might have to press it twice for it to actually launch. That's because by default the touch sensitivity is turned off on the S9 or the S9 Plus when you take it out of the box. So what you need to do is go into the settings and turn it on. So I'm going to show you how to turn it on. Just pull down the notifications, select this little icon up here, and then go to where it says advanced features, and then scroll down all the way down to where it says touch sensitivity. Increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. Just go ahead and turn that on, and now it should respond to the touches a lot better. Also, what I like to do is go into where it says sounds and vibration, and where it says vibration intensity, vibration feedback, just turn that all the way up. So each time you do touch the display, even with the screen protector on, you'll feel the vibration on the end of your fingertip. So yeah guys, this was just my video showing you how to turn up the touch sensitivity on the Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, leave any comments in the comment section down below. Also, subscribe to my channel as well. Hit the notification bell so you'll get notified each time I upload a video. And thanks for watching. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.